So I have been talking about the three nutrients that our immune system needs: phytochemicals, antioxidants, and polysaccharides. So today I'll talk about what are phytochemicals. Phytochemicals are compounds that are produced by plants. Phyto means plants. They are found in fruits, vegetables, grains, and beans. Some of these phytochemicals have shown properties that protect our cells from damage. These kind of damage could lead to cancer. Research has also shown that some phytochemicals may help stop the formation of potential cancer-causing substances, for example, carcinogens. These phytochemicals are easily found in our fruits, vegetables, beans, and grains, so it's very easy to include them in your diet. A carrot, for example, has more than 100 phytochemicals. Nutrition researchers estimate that more than 4,000 phytochemicals have been identified, but only about 150 have been studied in depth. Before you rush to the stores to buy a bottle of pills that has one or two types of phytochemicals, please note that it is a combination of these phytochemicals in a whole plant or fruit that keeps your body healthy. For example, consuming 5 or more cups of fruits and vegetables per day and food from other plant sources such as nuts, seeds, and beans is a better way for consuming phytochemicals. Well, if you're looking for safe and convenient ways to get your sources of high-quality whole plant nutrients, do connect with me through the link or button that is around this video. I am Eunice Wong, signing off now. Bye.